Hi guys, today we will talk about how to export product on your Shopify store. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your computer and sign in your account on which you want to export your product. Once you do, you will see the same interface like me. The next thing you have to do is take a look on the left side. You will see a lot of different options from these. You have to select option products. Once you will click on it, you will see your products which are imported in your Shopify store. But if you did not see any products, then the first thing is you have to import or add your product in your Shopify store. I already import a list of my products, so that's why you will see the option of export. But as I said, if you did not see, then the first thing is you have to import your products. Once you do here, you can see the option of export. Simply click on it. Once you will click on it, here you will see current page or all products. This one is Export CSV for Excel or plain CSV. So if you want to only export the current page, then select current page, or if you want to select all the products, then click on all products. Once you do, this one is the export file. So I will select CSV. These are useful for Excel spreadsheet, but last thing is I need to tap on the option export product. Once I will click on it. Here you can see your export will be emailed to my account, and I need to open my email address and I will see the list of my exported products, and that's it.